What's up, good people? How you doing? Good morning, good people. Hey, it's happening. This is a moment we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for the fruit of our labor. All right. For those of us that are into the markets and in crypto, it is happening. Bitcoin just hit an all-time high of 75 as two things that's happening for Bitcoin. Now, the markets are hitting actually not an all-time high, but the pre-markets are up already because it's looking like a candidate is going to win. Remember, the markets don't like uncertainty, right? And so as we look here, we could see that one particular candidate, because I ain't calling no names tonight, is surging in the polls, right? But good people, let's just go straight to it. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Straight up 74. And as you could see, that was not a typo. Bitcoin hit 75K on the nose. Look at that, good people. And so this is what we've been talking about. Let's get some coffee cups in this chat. All right. Let's get some firecrackers. Let's get some money bags. Let's get some spaceships, some rockets going in the comment section, because this is what we've been waiting for. You guys are not, even though it's 74.3 now, it did hit. Look, good people, it hit 75K. Look at that. In anticipation of a winner. All right. Yep. So, wow, it's happening, good people. It's happening. So, I'm excited about this. I know some of you are excited about other things and all of that. We gonna be good. All right. This is what we've been waiting for. That's what I'm talking about. It's time for us to celebrate. We've been patient. We've been investing. I was just about to make another crypto video because I was about to convert some crypto, which I'll cover. I was just about to convert some crypto. My phone started going off. I look at my crypto account and I go to dinner and my crypto account is up another $12,000 from the time I sat down to go to dinner to come back. And listen, Bitcoin is up to hit 75K. And the other ones are just starting to move. They're just starting to move, good people. That's what we want to see right now. All right. Make sure y'all hit a like. OK, make sure you guys hit the like button. All right. Yes, sir. Doge and Bonk are booming. Hey, Christy. So let's go through. Let's look at what's going on. All right. Let's see what the pre-markets is. How can I get the pre-markets? Why do I even have this up? The pre-markets are up too. Let me go here. I'm going to talk to you guys while this is happening. I need to Google. We're going to get back into crypto. Markets. Let's see what the pre-markets are doing. The pre-markets are soaring too. Look at that, good people. Look at that. These are the futures, all right? The Dow futures are up almost 600 points already. Look at that, good people. You see that? I'm sorry, 600 points. So Dow futures up 600 points. S&P futures 76 points. NASDAQ futures, no, it's after hours. I'm sorry. Here we go. Fair value, change, blah, 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 blah. Okay, pre-markets. All right, so the pre-markets are up. All right, let's go to crypto. Look at that. That's what we love to see. A sea of green. Look at that. Green, green, green. All right. For the day, boom. And guess what? For the week, that ain't right. Oh, yes. Oh, this is right. This is the beauty of it, good people. You see this red? You see this red? This is the beauty of it. All right. When you see Bitcoin just surge up to 74, this is the beauty of it. And it hits 75. And the rest of this hasn't even moved yet. It moves so fast. You guys remember what I was talking about, the slingshot effect, right? Here's Bitcoin. That's the handle of the slingshot. And then the altcoins are the rubber band, right? And then the piece that holds the rock, those are the altcoins. So it's just starting. The altcoins are haven't even moved yet. So if this keeps going, by the time tomorrow morning hits, the alts are just going to be up and the memes are going to be up. Doge and Bunk and Whiff and Pepe Le Pew and all of those are just going to bounce up. That's what we're looking for, good people. You say, Larry seemed like he happy. Yep. Doge was already surging. Okay. So let's go back to it. I'm a little excited. Let's see. All right. So we got Bitcoin. It hit 74. We hit 75, even cooled off. So just like that, up 9% in the last 24 hours. You guys see that? And then what happened? Solana came and smacked it with 15%. You guys see that? Look at that. But Doge is up 28%. Not in the last week, in the last 24 hours. Let's go to the memes, right? So as we go to the memes, we see Doge is up. Shiba Inu is up. Pepe is up 16%. Dog with Hat is up 23%. We see the surging. Popcat, Floki, you see? Bunk is up 21% in the last 24 hours. We love to see that. That's what we want to see. Let's go back to all, and we're going to see. Now, we know that Bitcoin dominance is still a thing, right? So Bitcoin dominance is still a thing. Look at that, right? And it's still almost 60% of the overall market. These have yet to even wake up. So you're going to see these, especially the SOLs and the Does and the Solanas and all of those, they're going to surge even more than Bitcoin did. And this is what we've been waiting on. All right. Hey, man, don't just come in, hit that like and subscribe. All right. If you're new, subscribe. But if you've been rolling with me, hit the yes. So you guys have a lot of questions. I'm going to get to you, but we're going to just go through these charts. What's happening? Bitcoin surged to 75K, a new record, as traders bet Trump has election edge. That's what's happening. It looks like he has an edge. Now, why are you so happy, Larry? I'm happy because my money is happy. That's why I'm happy. All right. So look at this. Dow futures jumped 500 points. The Russell 2000, the small caps IWM futures, it rises 2% up. You guys see that? Hey, thanks for the super chat. Those seeds feeling allowed like your hey, I appreciate that. I think like our trees. That's right. Those trees. You remember those trees I was planting? Yes, sir. Please hit that like button. All right. All right. So, hey, we doing this thing. Yes. Let's go, my man. Sui. Let's look at Sui. Let's pull up Sui. All right. We want to see what Sui's got to say. All right. You know what? Let me go here because I like to pull up clean charts. So let me go here. I like to pull up charts where they're nice and clean so we can see them. Okay. So we're just going to go here and we see, I go to this Coinbase, we can see already, look at what's happening. Ether has even woken up. Look at that. Bitcoin, 8.55. Solana is surging up. All right. And let's just go to Solana. Okay. And then we're just going to change this to Sui. Tapping with my left hand. Excuse me. Here we go. Okay. That's a U. Okay. Let's see what Sui is doing. Come on, Sui. Look at that. 21%. That's what we like to see. Sui going up 21%. We got a lot more to go with Sui. Here's why. The last month we were up to 33 and where we are now. Look at that. We haven't even hit Sui hasn't even woke back up yet, people. Look at that. It hasn't even woke back up yet. Back to where we were right here. So we got a lot more room to run up is what I'm saying. Because Bitcoin just spiked. For those of you that's just coming on, Bitcoin, soon as the election numbers started coming out, Bitcoin just spiked up. Now, this is an all-time new high. Let's just pull that to the day. This is an all-time new high. Remember how we were range bound and we couldn't break above 74. See here? Remember when just last week I was saying we need to break above 74. Really, I was saying 73.8, right? Well, we did. We popped it all the way to 75K. Love it. Love it. And if the numbers keep coming out, as you guys see, we can see what's happening here. We can see who's surging with the electoral votes, right? We can see who's in the lead, just like I said. Then that's why. Now, I'm going to say this because we have to know the facts. It would have been okay either way. It wouldn't have spiked as much, but it still would have, I believe, been okay just knowing that there is someone that is leading. Remember, both markets do not like indecision, okay? And that's what's going on. Don't like indecision, all right? And so that's what's going on. So what I was going to make a video about, since I got you guys, and then I'll come and celebrate with you guys a little bit, is dead money, all right? And here we go. Larry was doing so good. Why you got to talk about that, all right? So we see that 75K it hit, right? And it could keep going, right? And why? The same reason the Dow futures hit. You see that. Dow futures hit 500 points. Russell 2000 up 2%. Traders bet that. You see who is winning. That's why on the crypto end. All right. So what I was looking at is, let me go here. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing right now. I'm telling you guys what I'm doing right now. And in the last hour, okay, it woke up. Let me blow this up a little bit more. There we go. It did wake up because I was about to do some trading, which I still am. All right. XRP, good people. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Now, so people don't get their feelings hurt. All right. Listen, good people. Like I said, I believe that XRP is going to be in an ETF. I believe it's going to be in an ETF with Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, and Ethereum. I do believe that they will be in an ETF together at some point. And I believe that XRP will run at some point. But XRP, for me, for the week, is only up 1 point. Here we go again. Let's go for the month. For the month, XRP, what? Still flat. You guys know where I'm going. So the little XRP that I have left, I am going to trade it. All right. I'm going to trade it to either SHIB, which is up. This is me, which is up for the month 13%. Right? Right? You guys see that? Or I'm going to trade it for Doge. All right? Which is up. I'm going to be honest. I'm just being honest. Look at that, good people. Doge is up 94% for the month. And so I know the XRP family is going to be like, no, I don't care. I don't care. I could care less. XRP is the girl that cheated on me. Bye, Felicia. She ain't doing nothing. Ladies, XRP is the dude that goes to work every day and comes home with no money. Bye. All right, I'm just tripping, y'all. I'm just having a little fun. It's late. Hey, who sees where I'm going? Who sees where I'm going? All right. I need somebody who understands what I'm saying. Who with me on this one? All right. Oh. Let's see what Bunk is doing. Let's see what Bunk is doing. All right. For the month. You guys see what I'm saying? I can guarantee I can take it again and go back, put it in something else, ride it up while XRP is still flat. Even Bunk being down is up. And Bunk hasn't even moved yet for the month. Look at that. You guys know Bunk is a slow mover. Bunk is going to go all the way back up. Look at that. To the 24, 25, 27. It's 22. It hasn't even woke up yet. And it's going to outperform XRP. So buy XRP for me. All right. And I can come back later. All right. You understand? You will understand. So I'm just telling you guys, don't get married to any of these. All right. Musk may actually he may actually do something to get us our money back. And I've been buying. I bought more Bunk this time than I did last time because, Bunk has been holding when everything has been going down. Not Bunk, I'm sorry. Doge has been holding, and then it's been moving. Doge has been moving. So, and you're right. I believe it's because of Mr. Dance Happy Elon right now. All right. I know. XRP is a stablecoin. I know. I see what you did there. XRP is a stablecoin. Bruh, wait, let me pin that one back up. That's so good because that's so true. All right. The next one that I'm about to trade. Bing. Ando. Bye-bye, Ando. Ando ain't doing it for me, y'all. I'm in my positions. Every position I got is solid, except the little XRP I got and the Ando, right? Ando has been underperforming for me, and I'm about to roll my Ando. All right. Now it's up for the day. Look at that. It's coming strong. Okay, Ando trying to do something look at that, for the day, for the week, but what? For the month, womp, womp, womp. Ando is going away from me, and I'm rolling my Ando over into Sui. I'm rolling my XRP, which is a stable coin, over into Doge, and I'm rolling my Ando over, and I don't care if Ando doubles tomorrow, it still won't do what Sui has been doing and is going to continue to do. So there, I said it. You know what? Anything is possible. Anything is possible. We could be partying right now and then Bitcoin could cool back off. Right? It could. But we're going to enjoy this party tonight. That's what we're going to do. All right, good people. Let's see. DJT. Yeah, let's look at DJT. Because DJT, for those that was in it early, it pumped up in the aftermarket and then it came back down. It's too volatile. I don't need my money in DJT when I can be in all of these solid plays I'm in. So I just leave it alone. DJT. Of course. Now, see, this is just unfair. It's unfair. Look at this. All right. It went down. And then when the market closed, it started tanking right here. It started really tanking. Then it rolled up. It looked like it was going down. It tanked. And now what? Spike. Look at that. 10%, almost 11% in the aftermarkets. And I can guarantee you now this stops at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So it could be higher than this now. All right. And so DJT will probably pop. But I'm telling you guys, for me, DJT is not a hold. It could be a pop and then a slow bleed off. Okay? And that's what it could be. I'm just telling you guys. Why? I pointed it out before. I'll point it out again. Here's why. No revenue and no income. Quarter after quarter, it's nothing. It's a SPAC, okay? That's why. And so if it winds up being good, God bless you. You know, good on you. That looks good on you. But I'm not in that ride. Bro. Man, can't help. So my XRP, I'm letting you guys know now. Yeah, these are great times, Joe. XRP I can do better all by myself. I'm just saying, and I'm not making fun of you guys. I've been trying to educate you guys because I don't want you guys to make any money. You could see XRP has not moved, you know, and though they are winning and all of this, it has not performed. And so while XRP is trying to figure it out, I'm going to roll it over and I'm going to put probably half in my Doge plays and half in my Sheep plays. That's what Larry's going to do. Ondo is coming up for the day, but it's been a slow mover. Remember, Ondo had that spike up and then it came down. But I believe a better play than Ondo in it, and I have 4 times as much money in it, is Sui. And my Sui is doing good. How about you? All right. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm selling all of my XRP. And yes, this may be the time to actually start buying. I'm just not going on that ride because I'm consolidating the amount of plays that I'm in. What we got? XRP to the moon. Go ahead, baby. I'm looking at you. Yep. Yeah, man. It just hasn't. Now, one day it's gonna perform one of these days. I got a hold. Ondo feels like it's just warming up. You know what? You're right. Ondo's no joke. Ondo's gonna move. Ondo will move. Okay. But I just like to be in the fastest moving car, and I believe that a faster moving car than Ondo at this time is Sui for me. Okay. So for the day, Ondo is doing his thing. Okay. For the hour, not much, but for the day, Ondo woke up a little bit. For the week, we still down. For the month, you know. So let's see what Bitcoin is doing. We got 74.2 right here with Bitcoin. All right. I mean, it surged up. Boom. Hit 75. Now, if it could hold, if Bitcoin holds, that's what we want to see. We want to see Bitcoin hold above 74. And then we'll hit 76. And then we'll hit 80. And then after 80 will be 84. And if we have enough momentum, we can go from 76 to 84. Okay. And if we hit 84, what do you think the ones that's been dancing and multiplying like the Doges, what do you think these memes are going to do? Let alone our altcoins. Solana, which is really doing really good. Let's look at Solana right quick and see what Solana's doing. Solana, let's do Solana. Okay, so let's compare Solana to Sui right now. All right, Solana, look at that. For the day, we up 16% in Solana, right? For the week, not so much. For the month, look at that. 29% in Solana for the month. That's what I'm talking about. So why would I even hold XRP when I got movement like this in Solana? And Solana's one of my big plays. I mean, I got a lot in Solana and Bitcoin and Sui. Solana, Bitcoin, Sui are my top 3, and I moved ETH down. I actually converted some of my ETH to buy some Sui. That's what I did. All right. You do you. Okay. So let's see here. All right. Yeah, man, we here. Please don't make that mistake. Bruh, I've been hearing that forever and a day about XRP. Don't make that mistake. Why? Can somebody, I just want to ask. I just need to ask you guys. Why are y'all so committed to XRP when it's done nothing this entire year? I just, please, somebody answer that for me before I get off of here. I just want to know. Be patient. Yes, you know what? I'm not saying it's garbage. I'm just saying I could take my money, move it somewhere else. And as you can see, Doge is up 98%. And then I can come back to XRP and buy it. So can somebody let me know here? I'm gonna go down. Somebody let me know. Am I missing something with XRP? Please. Yes, SHIB is moving slow, but it does move. Yes, I'm making these moves tonight. Yes. Running up cooler, watch. Hey man, this is this is better than the results. This is our money results. You know, we gotta, like I keep saying, we watching these guys, and that's fine. I voted. Don't ask me who I voted for. I'm an independent. So, you know, think about that. Okay. Here you go. That's not the electoral votes. 67% of votes in, that's Pennsylvania. Sorry about that. Let's go to electoral. It'll come cleaner, good people. Will it? Why won't it? What's up with that? Oh, maybe because I'm trying to live stream. There we go. Let's see. Let's listen for a second.
The line, and you can see a very close race, about 30,000 votes in between the two candidates. Let's look at Arizona at this hour. Look at that, 49.5, 49.6 in Arizona. Obviously can't call that race. Nevada tonight, the numbers have not come in yet. Another battleground, though, obviously, where the polls have closed. There are projections we can make at this hour, so let's get right to them. In the state of California, Vice President Kamala Harris, where she was once the Attorney General and the Senator of that state, she wins in that state, picks up its 54 elect.
Well, you guys saw who had the electoral votes, right? You guys saw that. He's killing it in the electoral votes, but we're gonna see what the outcome is gonna be. And I'm not calling anything until I wake up in the morning, because I believe they're gonna be counting all nights. All right, never respond. Larry, you never respond to me when I say something on here. Willie, I just did, Willie. Oh, you need a hug, Will? There we go. Feel better? All right, listen. What else? We're not getting into this. All right, I need somebody to tell me, why are you guys so oh, look. See to the left-hand corner? Trump had 214. All right, we'll go back to it. Somebody tell me, I need somebody to explain to me why you guys are so committed to XRP. I just want to know. Thank you guys. Doge has been up. I've been searching. I don't understand. I don't understand. You know, XRP is a what? XRP will be. Yeah, they keep dragging it back. That's the problem. So there's the electoral votes in the left-hand corner. Trump 214, Harris 145. Right. So yeah, I don't understand. What platform do you trade crypto on? I traded on Coinbase. Me, seriously? Rachel, seriously, what? Somebody, I'm not saying, look, Alexander, I'm not saying that. It's not. I'm not saying that. Okay, let's not do this. All right, I don't see the value yet. Oh, okay, Rachel, I see. H-bar, I had H-bar in the beginning, and I converted H-bar, and because I needed some money, I saw what was happening with Sui. I converted mine because I'm just consolidating. It's okay to have as many as you guys want. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I just feel strong about consolidating. And for those of you that have the old coins from last year, that's fine, but they're all not going to be winners. I'm into the faster movers, solid. I like Sui. I like what it's doing. I like Solana, so I got it. I like. I thought I liked Ondo, but it just underperformed, you know. And let's see what else I got here. I had a little AVAX. It's up, and that's from last year. Avalanche. It's up 8.63% right now. Okay, I just got a little of that, and so let's see what I got here. Let's Ondo XRP, Bitcoin Cash. I got some Chainlink. I got Doge. I got Sheep. Of course, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, Sui, Bunk. Woo, this Bunk is dancing. Look at this. Look, good people. It's. I'm up 29K in a day today alone because I'm in solid positions. And I look, guys, this is not, you guys know me. I'm not about the bragging thing because this is going to happen again. And I try to show you guys, I want as many people to make money as I do. I really do. That is my heart of hearts. And that's why I do what I do. And I teach the lesson ahead of time. And I know people are like, oh, Larry, you always teaching a lesson, because I wanted you guys to be in solid positions, right? And I wanted you guys not to be stuck on, last year's winners and get into some of the moves of this. Done. Come on, done. Save the photos, right? I'm trying to show you guys this, right? So when I said I would be fully in my positions, when I said I was fully in my positions. And I just want to show you guys, I am, some people are talking the talk, but I'm walking the walk. This is for the day, good people. I'm up 29K for the day. And some of you are up more than I am. And I met a guy the other day. He was 35. He had 25 Bitcoin. And his average was like 38K. And he just kept buying. And he owned his own business. He just kept buying, right? And for those of you that are new and they've been calling this crypto funny money, ain't nothing funny about that. And I feel sad that they put all this FUD out to cast doubt in you guys' heads and hearts. And you go, well, it's a scam, blah, 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 blah. The gentleman that might be the president of the United States, I was at the Bitcoin conference. He came there and said some things that's going to make crypto really pump if he does it. If the United States hold a reserve in Bitcoin, like he suggested, I'm telling you what I heard with my own ears, then it's going to go. It's going to go crazy. And I said this before. Within the next 3 cycles, so 4 years, 4 years, and 4 years, one Bitcoin will be worth $1 million. I believe that. And I'm not pie in the sky type of guy. I like to do my research. But you guys see what happens in a short period of time. You see how things can just moon. And, and you got institutions loading up while they are putting out FUD, causing fear. Okay? All right? You got major institutions buying crypto. And you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin for those of you that are new. You don't. You can buy $5 a day. You can buy, and I don't want to there's a lot of risk in it. I don't want to over pump it. But yes, I have Link. But I want you guys, as many as you guys as possible, to get this money, period. That's what I want. Bunk is still alive. Yes, it is. Yeah, man, I'm Lord of y'all. Yeah. These politicians, they're going to be politicians. If you see a politician moving their mouth, you can best believe 80% of what they're saying is lies. That means your candidate too. All right? Okay. The Simpsons said XRP is just as play like AMC. Okay. I get it. So Moses, so you're saying that XRP is like fighting against a machine like XRP. I mean, like AMC. I get it. I get it. You guys know I was down with the AMC gang in 2020 gang. Yeah, I was for movement. AMC was more of a movement. And I got with the movement. And I bought some AMC. And I lost some money with AMC. And I knew it. But I said, I'm only putting in what I can afford to lose so I could stand with the community against what the institutions, the games that they play with these shorts and naked shorts and all of this, all of the funny stuff that they do that we can't do. So I get it now. I get it. Thanks for explaining that, Moses. But be smart and make some money. Be smart and make some money. Okay? That's all I'm going to say. People like to marry, and don't get married to it. That's it. People like to marry their bags, right? Chainlink, I got Chainlink. That was in there. I said I had Chainlink too. How to convert my XRP to Doge. Just go and YouTube it, depending on what you do. Here's what I do, good people. I don't always just convert, okay? Matter of fact, when I say convert, I'm going to tell you a smart way to convert for those of you that got Coinbase. What I was doing is, and I may do it now, tonight. I may say it. I'll convert my XRP and my Ondo. This is Larry. I'm not telling you what to do. And I convert it to USDC, where I'm earning 5.1%, right? So I move it over into a stable coin like USDC, where it's not going to fluctuate in value. And then I wait for a pullback, and then I buy what I'm going to buy. But you best believe every dime that I sell of one, I write it down, okay? And then when I get ready to buy the other ones after the market goes down, I set a limit buy order, okay? I want you to go on to YouTube and search for that, okay? And see how to do that, all right? Oh, somebody gave me a thumbs down. Oh man, I'm heartbroken. You gave me a thumbs. I'm heartbroken. But you know what? I looked at my winners and I got happy again. You can't break you can't break me down, man. Listen, we here together. We came here together. All of these people, all of you guys, we got here together. One video at a time. I've been doing this since 2020 nonstop. Every day. Yep, every day. I love you guys, man. I love you guys. Hey, I guess I'm gonna leave it right there, but I had to let you guys know, and I know I got the thumbs downs from these emotional XRP traders. It's just, you guys are falling for the okie doke. And I can guarantee you this, and I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say this for the brother that said it's a movement. Listen, I'm gonna tell you, I'm old enough to know this. People will tell you, don't buy nothing else, man. You hold your XRP. You buy your XRP and you hold it, man. Don't be down with the gang. Be down with the army. And they'll look you and tell you that, and you get amped up. You like, yeah. And then they turn around and they buying Doge, and they not telling you. They buying bunk. They buying wife with hat. They buying wife with hat, holding baby with full diaper. They buying every new coin, but they telling you to hold the bag. It happens every cycle. Just enough so they can get out. They telling everybody to hold the bag so they can move up a little bit. They take their winners and they gone, but they telling you to hold. Brother, you better listen to Uncle Larry, and you better get in the fastest moving car. Forget about XRP. Forget about Ondo. I don't care who don't like you. I don't care who thumbs down. We didn't get into this to be loyal to no stupid stock or no stupid crypto to join those stupid gangs. All right? I'm getting uncle-y now. We got in this to be wise investors and make money strategically. Remember, you saw this video. When you see stuff taking off and leave, and you still sitting there, when all these other cars take off, but you still sitting there, Uncle Larry told you, right? They don't love you. They don't care about you. We do. That's why we telling you the truth. Right, Joe? Joe, I'm just telling them the truth. I'm just telling y'all the truth, whether you want to hear it or not. Yep. Ashley, I'm just telling them the truth. The truth is hard to digest sometimes. Yeah. Yep. Voted for the lamb. I love that. Hey, is Bunk gonna surge more? Yes. If Bitcoin stays here, Bunk is gonna surge more. That's a yes. Bunk always moves behind Bitcoin. So you may look at your portfolio now, now this is an if. Now don't come back and say, Larry said, here's what I am gonna say. If Bitcoin stays here at 74.4 and hits back to 75, you best believe that these other ones will move. Where is my window at? You best believe that, let's see here. With Bitcoin moving up, let's call that 9% for the next 24 hours. What do you think is going to happen to these memes? I can guarantee you they done moved up since we've been talking. Bunk is up 19 now, almost 20 now. So it's moving now as we speak. So the answer is yes, if it holds. But if it comes back down, it won't. Yeah. Let's see here. Y'all hitting that like button? Yeah, that's the correct one, but I wouldn't, like I said, think about what I said, what's the best way to get in? Just in case this cools off, just in case this is an overreaction because of excitement, I'm going to convert over to USDC, wait for things to cool down, if it does, and then move in and then buy. That's what I normally do. But if you think it's going to continue to run, that's a decision for you to make, then just convert over. Some of y'all worrying about fees. I ain't worrying about fees. My bags are too big to be worrying about little fees. And if you learn how to go to Coinbase Pro, you're gonna beat all of the fees. If you learn how to do a limit order and a bid in Coinbase Pro, you're gonna be beating out all of those fees. So take the time to learn your tools. What about ETH? I'm holding my ETH because ETH is just a slow mover. So ETH is just slow. It hasn't moved yet. It hasn't performed yet. I believe that Ethereum will perform when altcoin season start. Okay, so look at that. See here, ETH is still flat as well. It's up about 7%, but for the month, it's starting to wake up a little bit. Okay, but watch. ETH is one of the ones that I hold. I don't put ETH and XRP in the same bag because ETH, it can be sleep like a bear, and then one day it comes out of hibernation, and next thing you know, it starts booting. Okay, Sui, is that correct symbol? Yes, I answered that. Yep, I answered that. Right. Bruce Leroy. Bruce Leroy. I love that movie, man. Oh, hey, Ashley. Lisa J. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it right there. Willie, you okay, man? We love you, Willie. Listen, when I'm saying stuff, I'm telling you the truth. Because you know what, man, when I think about how many times people, especially older cats and older ladies, used to try to tell me the truth, but I just had it all just amped up in my head because my friends told me. Then down the road, you realize that your friends was idiots. I got idiots friends that still my friends. And I told them they idiots to their face. I said, you're an idiot. I know some of y'all gonna be like, Larry said he, but that's the way we talk to each other. But, you find your old friends, you go, remember you told me this? That was the dumbest thing. And I was stupid enough to listen. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Why? Why would you get into something you should be making money with? This tool is to make money. And why would you be getting with these gangs and all these groups, and I'm Team Sheeb and Sheeb against Doge and all of this? Man, I got them both, right? I got them both. I'm here to make money. So, yeah, I got all three of those, right? Yep, I got link. Yeah. Let me go down here. Yeah. We ain't getting into the, yeah. Yeah, listen, guys, I see a lot of this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, that one. Bunk is a stable coin. Tell me that tomorrow. Tell me that tomorrow. I want you to look at Bunk tomorrow. I want you to look at, listen. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show you. Let's go over this one more time before I end this. Okay. I'm going to show you what a stable coin looks like. Right. And I'm not telling you guys to sell your XRP. I'm saying have both. Okay. So when you got something for the entire month that has moved nowhere, you guys see that, right? What has it done in the last hour? Nothing. What has it done in the last day? 5%. What has it done in a week? Gave back 3 of that 5%. What has it done in a month? Absolutely flat. How about the entire year? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So you say Bunk is a stable coin? Let's go to Bunk. B-O-N-K. Right? Now, see, you got to have receipts when you come and say stuff. What's Bunk done in the last hour? 2%. What has it done in a day? 22%. What has it done in a week? Flat. Fair enough. What has it done in a month? 9%. What has it done in a year? 2,800%. XRP was down. So does that look like a stable coin to you? What you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? Come on, man. Come on. Yeah, I'm sorry. I got to keep it real. Right? I want y'all to make money. At the end of the day, I want you guys to make money, okay? I've been on here for a while. I said I was going to be here for no more than 45 minutes. It's 46 minutes. I love hanging out with you guys. Hey, for those of you that didn't see, let's just go over it really quick. You can see the electoral votes. I think you can. You can see who's winning here. He's up in electoral votes. Of course, we can go to sleep and wake up and things be different tomorrow. Look at that. Bitcoin inching right back up to 75K. It's 75.6 now. Now we are 75.7. Now we're back at all-time highs again. We could see that. We went over the crypto bubbles. For the week, not so much. For the day, we all green. Of course, for the hour, we all green. What's causing all of this to happen? This is what's causing it to happen. Bitcoin surged to 75K, and the pre-markets, where was that at? Here we go. The pre-markets are up. Look at that. Implied open. The Dow is already up 518 points. The S&P 69 points, and the NASDAQ implied open is up 258 points, just based on two things. Not just who's going to win, but they know that there's going to be a winner. Both markets does not like uncertainty. Now, what we got to be careful of tomorrow, I'll tell you who could douse this fire. The Fed. The Fed can douse this fire. The FOMC meeting is tomorrow and Wednesday. And when the Fed comes out, it is priced in already at like 98% for the Fed to do a 25 basis cut. Okay, a 25 basis point cut or reduction. All right. And that's already is baked in. And that's all he has to do is stick to the plan. Now, if he says no rate cut, market's not going to like it. And if he does another 50 basis points, that could spook the market and we can have a recession coming after the election, maybe Q1. So people don't really understand the damage of going too quick, too fast with interest rate cuts. Every single time the Fed cut rapidly, we went into a recession. Okay? So that's what we talking about. Willie, your friends don't know this stuff. They just telling you to hold on to XRP. So, all right, good people. I'm going to leave it right there. Let me get one more. Popcat is moving. Tesla now 9 point, maybe. Yep. So you look at this. Now, you guys remember just a few months ago, it was like 9 months ago, I came on live with the guys and I said this. Trump was saying he didn't like electric vehicles and blah, 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 blah. And Elon didn't like Trump and electric vehicles, Tesla was going to die because if Trump was president. And I told you guys, I said, one day you're going to see Elon and Trump buddy smiling on the camera together. Well, they doing more than smiling. They dancing. Elon in the background and Trump is doing his YMCA. It's just man, this is a crazy time to be living, man. I'm just telling you, I've never seen such a circus in my life. This is crazy. The stuff that is going on now with these politics is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Oh, man. Hey, listen, make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell. But look, I want to share with you guys something. A lot of guys, you guys don't know. Now, you know how I've been talking about $1 million cup of coffee, and I've been talking about saving $5 a day and investing and all of that, right? And you guys were saying, hey, Larry, you should come out with a coffee company, right? Well, I've been working on a coffee company for 2 years, finding the right roaster and all of this, right? I've been just working, like that Michael Jackson song. You got me working day and night. Well, if you go to this video and you see this $1 million cup of coffee and you click on it, bam, there it is, good people. $1 million cup of coffee. And listen, we just did some rebranding. Right now, we have the variety pack where you can just buy, and it comes with 6 bags. It comes with 6 bags in a variety box. And in 2 weeks, you'll be able to buy the 12-ounce bags of your choice. So what I'm going to be doing is, for a period of time, because I want to do something for kids for Christmas, and I know I'm going to catch it from my team, but we are going to take all of the proceeds from now until then. I know I'm going to hear it because they're watching. And we're going to give it to a charity. All of the proceeds minus expenses. I want you guys to tell me what when you receive your order, after clicking the link, then you will get your box. When your box comes, you can absolutely reorder the 12-ounce bags, okay? Let us know what your favorite is. We have got a absolute one of the highest grade beans, and people have been loving the coffee. It's called $1 Million Cup of Coffee. Look at that, good people. And in this video, it will be the top link below. All right, good people. Hey, it was cool having fun with you guys. Let's see if Bitcoin hit back to, let's see if it hit back to 75. Look at that. Back to all-time highs. We're heading back north. Look at that, good people. So I hope that when I go to sleep, I don't wake up and Bitcoin is back down to 68. That would be such a bummer. So, hey, good people, thanks for hanging out with me. I love each and every one of you guys, even the ones I made fun of. I just wanted to have a little fun. I got to let loose sometimes, man. I want you guys to make money. I want everyone that's watching me to make money, whether it be stocks or crypto. I want you to win, but I want you to get your disciplines. I want you to win, all right? That's it. That's my only thing. I want as many people to make as much money as possible. I believe in my heart of hearts That's why the Creator put me on this earth, right? I see you guys tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.